All right, here it is, 1953 Series 60 Fleetwood. Just got this like a barn find type deal. He said it was parked for 20 years. It was his dad's. His dad was a body guy. I said, that sounds perfect, because if a body guy was looking to save it, then it probably was decent. Turns out it is. So it's got most of the interior. It's got those big white walls off of there, but I think it's got all the interior. Actually got 5 hubcaps. Got the headlights. Got the skirts. Got the rear seat. Not sure what happened to that bumper. Maybe he started on it to get it re-dipped or something, but all type of stuff that I don't even know where it goes. Door stuff, more trimmy trims, and then most importantly, boom, we got the Flying Lady. Yeah, so the car seems to be decent. We need a spare tire, of course, area. Not sure I'm going to do too much in the trunk here as far as immediate attention. Maybe that corner and the spare tire. I don't know, really. I'm not building it to restore it. I want to drive it. I really want to drive it. I threw my rims on it from my other Cadillac over there. That's my baby. Same boat pattern, 515. So this side looks pretty decent. Except for down here, actually. That rocker is not too happy. Up there. All the glass is here, though, so I'm happy this glass is cracked, but that's it. No other cracks. But the floor is not the best here. That's probably what's slowing me down. It's like that on both corners. This has hydraulic seats and hydraulic power windows. If I'm not mistaken. This thing also has a motor swap in it. So if you're going to be following this video series looking for motor stuff, this is not it. This has an Oldsmobile 403 swapped into here. Not sure why they went with that one, but it is running. She runs really good too. It's got a 350 transmission and then stock rear end, stock front suspension. It still has that, I believe that's the hydraulic pump right there for the seats and the windows, but I don't know. But it is otherwise stock besides this motor here. Lower motor, I haven't seen if any of this stuff works. I know one of these fans turns on. That first fan there turns on, the horn works. The blinkers work, and the brake lights, and the I don't know what else works. The dash light's up. The dome light works. We'll see. So I do have to do something about this floor because the seat bolt's on right here in this corner that's missing there. And she is not very strong. So can't even really put the seat in there. And then the seat is, I don't know if it's all the way forward or if it's just forward, but it is too forward for me. And that's where we're at. Some work was done to it. This side is primed for the most part. Oh, it was primed many moons ago. And then the seat is, I don't know if it's all the way forward or if it's just forward, but it is too forward for me. And that's where we're at. Some work was done to it. This side is primed for the most part. Oh, it was primed many moons ago. And then the seat is, I don't know if it's all the way forward or if it's just forward, but it is too forward for me. And that's where we're at. But looks like it's all complete. I got all this stuff here, all the door panels. I don't know where all the stuff goes to, but we'll find out. Finally got a keeper here. Frame is looking good under there. Master cylinder shot. And I'm guessing we're gonna be doing brakes on here to get it rolling here, but she does start all by her lonesome. We'll see.